Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a quick guide on how to use Notion for mind mapping. This 2025 guide is your key to organizing thoughts and ideas effectively. First off, you'll want to create a new page in Notion. You can do this by clicking on the plus new page button on the left sidebar. This is your canvas for your mind map, a space to let your ideas flow freely. Now that we've done that, let's create our main idea. Click on the text block and type in your central concept. This is your starting point, the seed from which all other ideas will grow. It's crucial to have a clear and concise central idea, as it sets the direction for your entire mind map. Next up, let's branch out. To create a subtopic or idea, hit Enter, then Tab. This creates an indented bullet point under your main idea. This helps us because it visually sets apart different layers of thoughts and ideas, making your mind map more organized and easy to navigate. Now, let's add some color. You can highlight your ideas and change their color by clicking on the A symbol on the far right of your text block. This helps us distinguish between different ideas and makes your mind map more engaging and easier to understand. Let me explain why this matters. By color-coding your ideas, you can quickly identify and connect related thoughts, improving the overall flow of your mind map. Moving on, you can also link pages to your ideas. To do this, just type @ followed by the page name. This creates a link to that page, providing quick and easy access to related content. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is creating a database of interconnected ideas, enhancing the depth of your mind map. Finally, don't forget to save your mind map. Although Notion autosaves your work, it's always a good habit to manually save your work to ensure no idea is lost. And there you have it. You've successfully created a mind map in Notion. Remember, the key to a great mind map is to let your ideas flow naturally. Don't worry about getting everything perfect the first time around. The beauty of Notion is that you can always edit and refine your mind map as your ideas evolve. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, happy mind mapping.